Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on GBpusd. Let's quickly look at the daily time frame ties here. On this time frame, on the dailies here, what I'm seeing is price has opened and we're still seeing price surging down. And this is actually not the daily time frame, this is the 4 hours time frame. So I placed this trend line on Sunday and just to help me see if price really wants to continue bearish or bullish. So last week we had this double bottom formation. I saw it on Friday and indicated it, and then I've seen that price has failed to actually break through 132.10 region to give us more continuation to the bullish side. So therefore I've seen that price has break down right now, 50 minutes or 40 minutes roughly before the London session. So I'm anticipating that there's a probability that it has come to pick up the final orders here at this region, and then we could actually see a continuation to the bullish side. Otherwise, what I'll be looking for conservatively is price to actually come back again one more time here and fail to break this region, retesting this trend line for the second time. Then I'll be looking for sales. Otherwise, I'll actually wait for price to actually break through this consolidation back again to this point, and we might see price continue bullish. On the larger time frame perspective, this might be a retest of this region and then a continuation to the bearish side, or we could actually see a inverse head and shoulder pattern, a break of it and a retest of it, which is actually having some kind of manipulations, then a continuation. So this week we'll figure it out. We'll find out the best from probably buys or sell, but I'll be confident to buy at 132.24, and I'll be confident to sell if price come back to this region, try to retest it and give me some weeks here, and then I might try to sell it, probably TP 130.92, because until price break this region, I might actually believe that price is still in the bullish side. Let's look at the smaller time frame for entry 6. So on this time frame, I actually indicated this consolidation box on Sunday, and as you can see, price has broken it and is currently retesting that box. But I will slide into the 15 minutes time frame to look for structures, maybe like a double top formation. Then I'll be sure that okay, price has really broken this box, because sometimes price might just do this and it will be a manipulation, and price will actually come back into this box, break through the upside and continue bullish. So I'll be waiting, but the best place for me to actually sell going forward is if price breaks through 131.21, and then I'll be looking for entries to sell. That's the best one. And then for buys, price breaking through 132.25, I'll be looking for changes to buy. Other than that, if I look at this consolidation pattern, if I see any beautiful structures, then we might go for buys or sells. I'll see you guys on Wednesday, and let's see how price plays out between now and then. Ciao. Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on GBpusd. Quick one. I was anticipating, I said if price breaks through this box, a retest of it, then we might continue. I remember I saying something like there might be a manipulation and then we might see price continue back up, but this was a beautiful break and retest of this box. I left this box so that the explanation today will be very easier, and then we had this shoot down. I actually was in this trade and I wasn't really managing the trade very well, and price came back up and came down. I closed literally a break even. So going forward, looking at the 4 hours time frame and looking at the formation we have here, we're now having a very beautiful inverse head and shoulder pattern. Although I would say we might still be in the bearish momentum if price holds at this region, and there's a possibility that price can still also come back at 31.80 region, reject this region before going down fully. But I'll be very confident in buying this GBpusd if price closes above this region at 32.10. then we might see price really mean to go back up. But for now, I think price is coming here to pick up orders, since this has been more like a consolidation region. Break, came back for a retest, and this might be a retest too, which might possibly come into here. It's possible, and then we'll see price roll down. But what you can notice again from now is me drawing my downward trend line 1 2 3. Boom. What else do you notice? We have touch 1, touch 2 on the touch 3 we broke it and we're testing it right now. But also we have to note something. Hold on. We also have to note something here about this region here. So there's a possibility we'll break this trend line a little bit and still roll down back. So going for buys on the intraday trading between now and Friday, if price breaks this region, then we might be anticipating something like this, 1, 2, and then we'll continue back up. Otherwise, from this region we just anticipate price roll down back to this region. So I'll see you guys on Friday. Let's see how pound USD plays out. Ciao. Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on pound USD. On Wednesday, while I was recording price, I was at this region and I said I'm anticipating price to actually either reject here and go down, or break here, retest here and continue. As you can see, we might have got in for buys, but the close of this candle didn't show any signs of rejection at this region to show a continuation upwards, right? So more like price came in back into this box to pick up orders and went down. All right, so I benefited from selling shorts here at this region, and currently price is slowly building a consolidation around this region, awaiting the New York session for the non-farm payroll news. Regardless, also like I said on my gold tracking, I said we're going into Q2. Today is the 1st of April, the 1st of the month, the 1st of the Q2, and we might anticipate a huge what's it called? We might be seeing a huge there might be volatility in the market going to the New York session, especially during the non-farm payroll news. So more like this is what I'm expecting. We could see that price might actually respect a break of trend line, retest of it, and we could see price just go all the way back up during the New York session or between now and then, and we could see that might actually be a strong, maybe a weakness of the USD and so on, and we'll see a strong pound, you know. And if price, to be honest with you, this is what I'm considering going forward. If price breaks through this region, right currently now at 31.00, right? Sorry. If price breaks through that region, so if price breaks through this region, then we might see price roll down continually. But sorry about that, my light. But if price rejects this region, breaks through this area, then we might anticipate a continuation of the bullish side during the New York session. Let's see how that price plays out, and I'll catch you guys on Monday. Ciao.